Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. I'm still working on this tumble dryer. It's the AEG, what one is it? 56800. It's a Lavatherm tumble dryer, and I'm working on the motor because the motor would only spin in one direction. So I've been tinkering with it. I've set up this arrangement on the floor where I've got a special plug that is only switched on whenever you put your foot on the foot pedal. So that means that I can do something and then turn it on, turn it off quite easily. I've got the motor hot wired. I've identified by looking very carefully at the circuit board up above, the PCB or the module for this tumble dryer, and the machine itself isn't live now, that these cables here I was able to trace back, and that this one is the neutral, which is the one that I've got the neutral connected to here, the blue wire, and that the other two, I wondered, well, they must not be the neutral, so they should be live, but there's two of them. So I thought maybe one goes in one direction and one goes the other. So there's one direction. Let's turn it on. Click. So that's spinning this way. The camera might not pick that up until the end. It looks like it's going one way and then the other. But it's spinning this way. So the top is coming towards us. You can just see that there. And if I take this off and put it on here, it should spin that way. Yeah, so now it's spinning that way. And people have said the bearings in that motor are shot and this and that. It sounds just fine. I'll just give it one more run. You can see that it's spinning that way at the end and at the start. I don't believe there's anything wrong with that motor. I think that motor's fine. Some of the comments said motor, some of them said belt. The belt is fine. The motor works now. We know it works in both directions. It's not live. So let's remove these test cables and put that cable back on. The capacitor is across the two lives and it's not earthed. I'm not entirely sure what that capacitor does. So the white cable is neutral and the red and blue are live. So I think it's jumping a bit of power across a winding, a reverse or a forward winding at some point. But beyond that, it's more than I can understand. So I know the motor works. I'm happy with it working. So that leaves me with the PCB up on top. Here it is, and again this isn't live and it's completely disconnected. I've taken it out. I've just tried to have a look at it. So this block here goes to the motor, but it also goes to something else because it's got 5 wires, and just by looking at the colours I think it goes to the pump down below. And so looking in here, there's 5 connectors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Even though there's 3 the way it's laid out. So this one here is neutral, and that's what I traced back to that motor. So that's all neutral. Let's get a pen. Do this on the fly, but I'm gonna neutral. And then these 4 contacts here, and I think this one here as well. So those 4 and that 5th are all part of this relay. This relay over here, I'm not entirely sure what it connects to because it's connecting to a unit that doesn't have anything on it. There's nothing on these tabs here. So this board probably does more than one thing, depending on how it's programmed. And then there's 2 more relays over here. Can't see them, there they are. They're all the same type of relay, but they're used for turning on and off the high current, and I think they go to the element, these cables here. I think this one goes to the door. Ah yeah, so these 2 here go to the lamp over the, let's write that in, lamp. So this block here goes to the motor and pump, which kind of confuses me somewhat. There's also a load of purple cables. Where do they go? The purple ones all seem to go to temperature sensors, which is good to know. So some 3 of these go to the motor and 2 go to the pump, so I'll identify which ones they are now. So you'll get to see some of this, but I'll just go for continuity. If I push this right in here and put it up here, and straight away that's what we're getting. So this one is the motor. It's the motor in one direction. I'm writing it down up above, you can't see. And then this one here is the motor in the other direction. Oh, that's weird. So then from that little bit of work, I've identified that this one here on the left is the motor. This one here is also motor. Motor, motor, and then this one is pump. And then one of these will be motor neutral and one will be pump neutral, but they're all neutral up at this point. So motor live, motor live. So somewhere this side and this side, this is the relay that reverses the power to the motor, I guess. Right, I've been looking at the data sheet online. This isn't live still. These 4 points are the 4 corners of this relay, and then this one here in the center, or this one I think it's the one at the bottom actually, is the common. So when there's electricity 12 volts flowing from here to here, this switch, which is at the moment going this way, I think, flips across and goes over here. There's another relay over here from this point up to here, this point up to here, another one from here. So it's a switch that switches the power from this one over to this one. Now this one's interesting because it's got the same trace running from 2 sides, so it activates over here, and then this one looks like it takes this one and activates over there. That's not quite right either. And then there's a last one over here which does like this. So something's not working here. Either the 12 volt isn't getting into here to charge the relay, in which case that comes back along here over to here. Capacitor. A little trace there is, no, it looks like a, oh, what's that? Don't know. Yeah. But I reckon if this is the same one, yeah, I wonder if I just desolder this one, the machine might still work, and just put it over here, then it might work properly again. So if I took this one off and nothing changed, and then I put this one over here, maybe it would work again, and that would be interesting for me. So I might give that a go, but let me know what you think. I'm not doing that straight away. Let me know what you think. He's just going to break it. That's all he's going to do. Questions or comments, stick them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.